everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making some cute Gudetama dishes. Gudetama is called the lazy egg and it's essentially just a lazy egg. I have a cute silicone mold that features Gudetama in 3 different poses. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting with clear resin and I'm mixing in yellow colorant to get a bright yellow color. Then we're going to fill in 3 of these molds with the resin. After filling it, we'll wait a day for the resin to cure. Alright, let's go ahead and demold. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Look at this. Here's our next one. And here's our last one. These are adorable. Now we're going to make the dish part. I don't have any molds that look like egg white, so I'm going to make my own. On a piece of paper, I'm going to sketch out the shape of the egg that I want. It's going to look like a blob of egg white that just landed on the table. Then we're going to place a piece of clear plastic or a shower curtain over the sketch. And then we're going to trace it with 100% silicone. This is just regular kitchen or bathroom caulking made with 100% silicone. We're going to trace the drawing and then add a second layer to make sure the walls are tall enough. We're using silicone because resin does not stick to it. We're going to make 3 of these. I want them to have slightly different shapes so they're not identical. Once we're done, we're going to let the silicone sit for a while to cure. Alright, so here is our mold. It's been about 24 hours, so it is nice and cured already. It's still a little bit soft, but silicone is supposed to be that way, so it's a little bit soft. But as you can see, we have the silicone on the plastic and it is nicely sealed. So the resin should not leak out. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to take each of our little egg yolks, make sure they're nice and clean, and position them where we want them. So kind of like this. And this last one. And so I'm going to make different types of egg white. I think for one of them, we're just going to keep it clear with some glitter. This one, we're going to make it into have some of these kind of sparkles in it. So we're going to add sparkles to the middle one. And then this last one, we're just going to make it white to make it look like it's been cooked. Alright, let's go ahead and mix some resin. On this first one, we're going to add some crushed crystals. For the second one, we're going to add some iridescent mylar flakes. And finally, for the last one, we're going to use pearl mica powder and some white pigment. While we wait, let's go ahead and paint the eyes and mouth. Alright everyone, and our little egg dishes are done. Just take a look at these. Aren't they cute? So we can go ahead and demold them. We can just pull the resin out. quite easy. Here we have it. Oh, look at this. Super cool. Here's the second one. And here's our third one. So these are still rough around the edges, and so what I'm going to do next is sand it down and smooth it out. I'm going to use some sandpaper and just sand the edges down. Alright, the sanding is done, but as you can see, the sanding has actually dulled the resin a little bit. So what I'm going to do is pour another layer of resin to smooth out the edges and also add a more glossy top. But before we do that, I want to protect the bottom of the plate from drips. So we're going to cover the entire bottom with a layer of latex. I'm going to be using liquid latex. And this will essentially protect the bottom so that if we get any resin on it, we can just peel it off. This latex is really easy to apply. We're just going to pour it onto the plate here, onto the back, and then just push it with a popsicle stick all the way to the edge. It's white right now, but when it's dried, it'll be clear. Alright, so we have our latex back here. I don't think you can see it because this type of latex that I'm using, it dries clear. So I am just going to prop each of these up into cups, as you can see here. And each of these have a layer of latex on the back. You can kind of see that here. Okay, so we're going to mix our clear resin and just pour over it. Here I'm going back and coating the sides so that the sides will be nice and smooth too. Alright everyone, so our final coat is done and now we get to peel off the latex. So this is always fun. I love peeling these things. So find the space here. We can get that latex to tear. You see that it just pops the little extra bits of resin right off the bottom. There we go, the bottom's nice and flat again. Here is the top and oh my goodness, this looks really good. So I have a few scratches here, so maybe I need to do one more layer down here just to cover these scratches. But other than that, the rest of the plate looks really cute. Look at this. So this one is the one with the glitter in them, the little diamonds embedded. And this will work really cute as a little trinket dish. Next one, this one is the one with the white, egg white. Start in the middle here. Oh. Look at that. Here's the top. Super glossy. And here is our last one. Really nice. And this one has a little bit more sparkles on it. Alright everyone, so here are my Gudetama little trinket dishes. I think they look super cute. What do you think? So they are about 6 inches by 5 inches, so they're actually rather large, so you can put little rings or little trinkets on there, and they are a good size. So let me know down below in the comment section which one is your favorite. Do you like the first one with just a little bit of glitter but mostly clear? Do you like the white one? Or do you like the one with the iridescent flakes? And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!